We're back on the record in the 53rd Circuit Court for the County of Sheboygan. And we're here next for the case of People of the State of Michigan versus Justin Jermaine Smith, file 19-5888FC. And we have Mr. Jermaine Smith present in the courtroom with us, with his attorney, Mr. Gilbert, and the prosecuting attorney, Ms. Goodrich. And we are providing enhanced public access online in this matter. And Mr. Jermaine Smith, my first question to you is, we're here for sentencing on a charge of criminal sexual conduct in the 4th degree. That's a high court misdemeanor punishable by up to 2 years in the state prison. Have you had a chance to review the pre-sentence investigation report and recommendations with your attorney?
He did send me them in an email, and I went over them.
Okay.
But this is the first time we've been face to face.
Okay. So do you need any more time to review them with them, or are you all set to go?
I'm all set.
All right. And Mr. Gilbert, do you have any additions or corrections to the factual information in that report?
I do not, Your Honor. In addition to talking to him today, I did call him via telephone to go over the PSI.
Okay. Ms. Goodrich, any additions or corrections to the report?
No, Your Honor.
The advisory guidelines are scored at 0 to 9 months. Any scoring challenges, Mr. Gilbert?
Yeah, we do, Your Honor. There's only two places in the scoring that my client took points, and that would be on the OV, and that would be OV 11. He was scored 25 points for penetration. My client has been adamant, and even in the plea taking, admitted to improper touching of the victim, however, denied any type of penetration. We have asked that the OV 11 be scored as a 0 due to no penetration.
Hey, Ms. Goodrich, response?
Your Honor, based on his plea, he did not admit to the penetration. However, I believe it's in the factual basis. The agent description of the offense.
Can you?
About the penetration, and I believe that's where the scoring would have come. Sorry, I was not made aware that there would be this objection prior to the hearing.
That's true. I did not.
Well, in my review of the pre-sentence investigation report, there was, you see that there were some information in there to support the penetration. Let me see if I can find that.
You're on page, see it before consecutive sentences, the third paragraph up, the last couple sentences address that issue.
Okay, here we go. All right, so on the last page that has the agent's description of the offense, Mr. Gilbert, and also flows into consecutive sentences. That third paragraph up from the consecutive sentences, the last 3 sentences, 3 or 4 sentences, those are statements reported to Ms. Junker by the victim. Those statements would support a score. So, I mean, you previously indicated you didn't have any additions or corrections to the information of the PSI. Are you challenging that information of the PSI? Do we need to have testimony from Ms. Junker?
Hold on 1 minute, Your Honor.
Okay, I mean, we don't score based only on what the defendant admits. We base on what the factual basis is by a preponderance of the evidence. So if he's challenging that information, we'll have a hearing with, and hearsay is admissible at sentencing proceedings. We'll have Ms. Junker testify that the victim told her that, and that would be scoreable.
Just 1 moment.
Okay.
Your Honor, then there is a correction. We're challenging that portion of the PSI, and would like the probation officer to testify to how she obtained that information.
Well, the probation officer is going to say she got it from a police report. So we're going to need to have a witness testify. So we're going to have to adjourn the sentencing to accommodate that. So you want us to do that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what other scoring challenges do you have so we know which witnesses that the prosecutor?
That's it, Your
needs?
Honor. That's it.
All right, what I'm going to do though, Mr. Jermaine Smith has admitted to a sexual offense against a minor. I'm going to pull his bond and remand him to the custody of the Sheboygan County Sheriff right now. And we'll schedule the sentencing at a later date, but you're going to go to jail right now, Mr. Jermaine Smith. I'll revoke your bond and we'll get with the prosecutor's office. We'll get with the assignment clerk and schedule a special time where we can have an evidentiary hearing on your scoring challenge. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I got my medicine in my pocket if you want to know what the bag is.
There's a couple people in the waiting room. Let me see who they are.
Your Honor, can I just ask a quick question before clarification?
Who are you?
I am just Jermaine Smith's father.
You can talk to his attorney.
Okay, with him, now having his.
Hello, can you tell me what your name is on the telephone?
Richard Smith.
No, no.
Oh, I'm sorry.
On the telephone, what's your name? Sorry, we'll go off the record momentarily.
This is
I'm going to send them a message. Please connect your device to internet audio. I'll change his name to Strivic since I know that's who he is. All right. All right, we're next up in People of the State of Michigan versus Joseph Stribic. It's two files, 21-6081 and 21-6116FH. Mr. Stribic's here by Zoom video. His attorney, Mr. Gilbert, is present in the courtroom. The prosecuting attorney is present in the courtroom. We are providing enhanced public access online. And so, Mr. Gilbert, this is the time and date set for a docket call and also a contempt hearing on the allegations of violation of bond. Do you know how we're proceeding?
Your Honor, I did, and I don't know, I see Mr. Stribic's having some issues today. I did try to contact Mr. Stribic, and my phone number that I have was not working. I don't know if there was a change. I've asked an opportunity, can I speak with him? I did try contacting him.
Okay, Mr. Stribic, can you hear us?
Yep, I can hear you now.
Okay, we had sent you a notice to appear for the show cause hearing, or wait, did we schedule the, okay, we did the arraignment. Okay, and this was to be by, okay. All right, and did you change your phone number? Mr. Gilbert's been having a hard time reaching you.
864-361-4298. I have
Well,
my
we couldn't really hear that, and that's probably fine, because we're on YouTube, so you probably don't want to share your phone number with the whole world.
the last digits are
What are the last four digits?
4398.
I tried. That's my number. I got.
Okay, and that's the number that he's got, and he tried calling, and he was unable to reach you.
Yeah, I never
All right,
got
so,
mail. I just had it wrote last time I went to court.
okay. All right, well, what we're gonna do is, and I guess what I'll do is I'll terminate the live stream. We'll clear the courtroom and give Mr. Gilbert a chance to talk with Mr. Stribic and let us know when you're done, and then we'll come back in and restart.